Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our living room.
Say.
Today is Friday night.
Friday night is the best night of the week. Yes, because Friday night is movie night. Hi!
Or
Football night.
there is a big football match on TV today.
No, Dad. We agreed to watch a cartoon. A superhero cartoon.
Okay. We can watch the cartoon first. Then, I will watch football.
Now, where is the remote control? I need to turn on the TV. It is not on the table.
Did you drop it on the floor, Dad?
No. It is not on the floor.
Emma! Emma! Can you come here, please?
What is it, David? Why are you shouting?
The TV remote is missing. We cannot find it.
Oh, really? That is a pity. Maybe we shouldn't watch TV tonight.
Not watch TV? On Friday night? Impossible.
Dad, this is a mystery. You know what we need to do.
You are right, son. The remote control did not walk away. Someone took it.
Or maybe someone just put it in the wrong place.
No, Emma. This is a crime. Detective D is on the case.
Agent P is ready.
Agent P, the remote control is black. It has many buttons. We must search the living room.
Yes, Detective D. Let's look everywhere.
Let's look on the shelf. I see books. I see a picture frame. I see a plant. But no remote control on the shelf.
Detective D, let's look behind the curtains. No, nothing behind the curtains. Only the window.
How about under the sofa cushions? Let's see, I found a coin, I found an old candy. Yuck. But no remote control under the cushions.
This is very difficult. The living room is big.
A good detective never gives up, Agent P. We must think.
Who was in the living room last?
Hi, everyone. Are you having fun with our mystery?
We really want to watch TV. But the remote control is gone.
We searched on the shelf. We searched behind the curtains. We searched under the cushions. Nothing.
If you want to help Detective D and Agent P, please click the like button.
And SUB to the English family.
Now, we have a question for you, our special investigation team. Write in the comments.
Where is the remote control? Is it in the fridge?
Did the dog take it to the garden?
Or did someone in this room hide it? Tell us your guess.
Let's get back to the story and find the truth.
You were cleaning the living room this afternoon.
Yes, I was. I swept the floor. I dusted the shelves.
Did you see the remote control?
Well, I saw many things. I saw your dirty socks on the sofa, David.
We are not talking about my socks. We are talking about the remote.
Mom, you look suspicious. You are smiling.
I am just happy to spend time with my family, Peter.
Agent P, observe the suspect. She is holding something.
Mom, what is that box in your hands?
Oh, this? This is just a board game. Monopoly.
A board game? But tonight is TV night.
Detective D. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
A beeping sound.
The TV is making a sound. That means someone is pressing a button on the remote.
But nobody is touching the TV. Wait. The sound.
It is coming from
It is coming from.
the box.
Huh.
Open the box.
Uh-huh.
The remote control. It is inside the board game.
Emma.
You are the TV remote thief.
Caught red-handed, Mom. Why did you do it?
Okay. I confess. I hid the remote control.
But why? I wanted to watch football. Peter wants to watch cartoons.
Every Friday, we sit on the sofa. We stare at the TV. We do not talk to each other.
But TV is fun.
Family time is more fun. I wanted us to play a board game together. I wanted us to talk, laugh, and play, not just look at a screen.
Oh.
Really, Dad? What about your football match?
I can watch the highlights tomorrow. Tonight, we play Monopoly.
Really? You are not angry?
Detective D is never angry. But I must warn you, I am very good at this game. I will buy all the houses.
No way! Agent P will win.
Let's clear the table, put the fruit away. Let's play.
This is much better than TV.
You are the best, Mom, even if you are a thief.
Thank you, my little detectives.
Hello, Special Investigation Team. It is Q&A time.
Let's see if you have a good memory.
3 seconds on the clock. Are you ready? Let's go!
Question 1. What day of the week is it in our story? Is it Monday, Wednesday, or Friday? 3, 2, 1.
Time is up. Movie night is always on Friday. The answer is Friday. Question 2. Where did we look for the remote control? Did we look behind the TV or behind the curtains?
3, 2, 1. We looked everywhere. But in the story, we looked behind the curtains. Question 3. Where did Mom hide the TV remote? Was it in her bag, inside a board game, or in the fridge? 3, 2, 1.
That was a great hiding place. It was inside the board game. Question 4. Why did Mom hide the remote control? A. She wanted to sleep. B. She wanted to watch her own movie. C.
3, 2, 1.
The answer is C. She wanted to spend quality time with the family. And she was right. It was very fun.
How many questions did you answer right? Tell us your score in the comments.
Don't forget to play games with your family this weekend.
See you in the next video.